Starting a YouTube channel in 2023 is a great way to share your content and build a community around your interests or expertise. In today's video, we're going to look at a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Define your niche. Defining your area of interest is crucial in beginning a hit YouTube channel. Start by making a list of your pastimes, interests, and areas of know-how. What are you passionate about? What do you like to speak approximately or create content around? Look at different YouTube channels similar to what you need to create. What type of content material are they producing? What are their strengths and weaknesses? This will help you decide what makes your channel unique. Who are you creating content material for? What age range, gender, and pastimes do they have? Understanding your audience will help you create content that resonates with them. Once you have diagnosed your passions, competition, and target audience, narrow your awareness to a particular area of interest. For instance, you could focus on healthy vegan recipes or cooking for busy parents instead of growing a general cooking channel. Testing out your location and seeing how your audience responds is crucial. Feel free to alter your recognition in case you aren't getting the engagement you had hoped for. Choose a channel name. Choose a channel name that displays your area of interest and is memorable. Your channel name needs to be smooth to bear in mind and smooth to spell. Please avoid using numbers or unique characters, as they may be puzzling. Your channel name has to replicate your area of interest and the content material type you will create. This will assist viewers in apprehending what your channel is set. A shorter channel call is easier to remember and greater visually appealing on your channel art and video thumbnails. Before you compromise on a name, make sure it will be on YouTube and other social media systems you propose to apply. You want to ensure your call is regular across all structures for branding purposes. Make sure your channel name doesn't infringe on any existing trademarks or copyrights. You can search the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office website for potential issues. If you are creating a channel centered around your brand or expertise, consider using your name as the channel name. Create a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, create a Google account and use it to sign up for a YouTube account. Here are the steps to create a YouTube account. Go to www.youtube.com in your web browser. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. Click on the Create Account button. Enter your email address and create a password. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in with that instead. Fill out the required information, including your first and last name and birth date. Click on the Next button. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process, including selecting a profile picture and creating a channel name. Once your account is set up, you can start uploading videos, customizing your channel, and engaging with your audience. To monetize your channel, you must meet specific eligibility criteria, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. You will also need to follow YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Plan your content. Planning your content is crucial for a hit YouTube channel. Start by defining your niche and the content you want to create. This will help you set up a consistent theme and fashion in your channel. Please get to understand your audience and what they are interested in. Use tools like YouTube Analytics to determine which movies get the most views, likes, and feedback. Use a content material calendar to devise your content earlier. This will help you stay prepared and continually submit new movies. Set apart time to brainstorm video ideas. Think about topics that interest your target market and align with your niche. Consider doing keyword research to peer what humans are looking for on YouTube. Invest in equipment. Investing in the system is essential to developing remarkable films for your YouTube channel. A proper digital camera is vital for generating extraordinary films. You can use a smartphone digital camera or invest in a dedicated camera with 4K resolution and optical photo stabilization capabilities. Some popular alternatives encompass the Canon EOS M50, Sony A6400, and Panasonic Lumix GH5. Audio grade is just as vital as video quality. Invest in a great microphone that sees clear sound. A shotgun microphone or lapel microphone permits you to acquire professional fine audio. Proper lighting can make a massive distinction in the look of your motion pictures. Invest in a softbox or ring lighting fixtures to offer even regular lighting fixtures. A tripod is vital for maintaining your camera solid at the same time as you film. Look for a tripod that is sturdy and clean to modify. Editing is an essential part of the video manufacturing procedure. You can use loose modifying software like iMovie or invest in an extra superior program like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Film and edit your videos. Filming and enhancing your motion pictures is crucial to creating content for your YouTube channel. Before filming, plan out your shots and what you need to capture. Create a shot listing and storyboard to help you stay organized. Ensure your Digicam, microphone, and lighting fixtures are ready to head. Test your equipment to make sure the entirety is working correctly. Start recording and observe your shot list. Try to seize a couple of angles and takes to present more effective alternatives at some modification stage. Once you've got your pictures, import them into your modifying software. Start by organizing your footage and choosing the best takes. Trim your photographs and create a tough cut. Adding track and good outcomes can beautify the mood and ecosystem of your video. Look for royalty-free music and sound consequences online, or use those your enhancing software program afford. Adding titles and pictures can help your video stand out and grab your target market's interest. Use your enhancing software's equipment to create custom titles and photos. Color correction and grading can enhance the look of your video. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and shade tiers for a steady, polished look. Once you've finished modifying, export your video to a format like-minded to YouTube. Add an identification, description, and tags, and upload your video for your channel. Optimize your videos. Optimizing your videos is crucial in attaining a broader target audience on YouTube. Use applicable key phrases in your video identity, description, and tags. This will help your video appear in search results when humans search for keywords. Your name must be catchy, descriptive, and contain your target keywords. Use your marker to grab viewers' interest and trap them into clicking on your video. Your video description needs to provide extra records of your video and contain relevant keywords. Use the first few lines of your document to summarize your video and include any applicable hyperlinks. A custom thumbnail can assist your video to stand out and clutch the viewer's interest. Use fantastic pics and have text or pictures that correctly constitute your video. Create a schedule. Creating an agenda is crucial in handling your YouTube channel and ensuring you consistently upload excellent content material. Consider your different commitments and determine how regularly you could add new videos. Consistency is crucial, so choose a schedule that you can stick to. Create a content calendar to plan out your video topics and launch dates. This will help you live organized and make sure you continually have content equipped to upload. Take advantage of seasonal tendencies and events by developing motion pictures relevant to the time of year. For example, create vacation-themed movies or videos associated with popular activities. Engage with your target audience and ask for remarks on your content material. Use their comments to inform your content calendar and create videos your target market wants to see. Promote your channel. Promoting your channel is essential in building your audience and growing your YouTube channel. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search scores and make it easier for humans to locate your movies. Share your motion pictures on social media bills like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Encourage your fans to watch and proportion your films. Collaborating with different YouTubers assists you in attaining a new target market and boom your publicity. Look for YouTubers in your niche and speak to them to collaborate on a video. Participate in online groups related to your area of interest and proportion your motion pictures with the district. Comply with the network's rules and interact in significant discussions. Consider the usage of paid promoting, including YouTube ads, to reach a much broader target audience. Set a budget and goal for your advertisements to specific demographics and hobbies. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial to building a faithful fan base on YouTube. Respond to feedback on your films and display your target market, which you feel they'll enter. Answer any questions they will have and thank them for their aid. Ask your target audience for comments on your motion pictures and channel. This assists you in improving your content material and building a better relationship with your target audience. Host Q&A periods for your channel or social media dads to answer your target audience's questions and get to know them better. Use polls and surveys to accumulate your target audience's comments and recognize what they want to see on your channel. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way. If you want to know about how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.